everyone, and welcome back to Eating Sprouts. My name is Bliss van Amsterdam, and today I'm going to be recording the continuation of the last video where I compare both the blenders that I have been using for years, and I concluded that the best blender that I have found is the NutriNinja Auto IQ, which is the one that I use to make my morning veggie shakes, which works really well to prevent me from eating other sugary breakfasts such as waffle and donuts and pastry and other sugary sweets that are offered here in the United States for breakfast. And we're going to replace that with a veggie shake made of sprouts, microgreens, and other seeds and nuts and powders that are very healthy, and you're gonna love them because your body is gonna love them, believe me. So this is a great way to start eating healthy. That's how I started, and that's how I started getting used to all this green flavor, and now my body loves this flavor and it misses it in the morning, and I reject anything sweet in the morning. So this is a very good sign that we're definitely going through the right path. And now I'm going to show you my morning breakfast recipe, which is very simple. I'm going to show you right now. So to get started, basically what we're going to use are sprouts and microgreens. As you can see here, I have the peas microgreens, which I grow here at home, and I also have a combination of the sunflower microgreens with the buckwheat microgreens, which I have right here in the middle. And then here in the middle I have a mix of the sprouts, which I usually grow together because these seeds that I combine together take the same amount of time to grow, and I grow them together. The seeds that I grow here are alfalfa, broccoli, cabbage, fenugreek, collard greens, poppy seeds, brown mustard, red clover, kale, Brussels sprouts, radish, kohlrabi, rutabaga, turnip, and then I always add one bean, which could be the mung bean, or lentils, could be the black lentils, the French lentils, the regular lentils, any lentils that sprouts is good. And for these shakes, I also love to use almonds, which I can also replace for avocado, which I'm not going to be using today, but that works really well. But I used it yesterday, so today I'm going to use almonds instead. And I normally use either chia seeds, some form of cocoa, either cocoa powder or cocoa nibs, which are very good for your health as well. I use, in this case, I'm using kelp powder and maca powder because they taste really good as well, and I found them here in a local farmer's market. And I use a little bit of fiber because it's always good for your health, which is some psyllium husk that I have right here, and that offers fiber that also helps the body a lot, and it feels really good. So these are basically the ingredients that I use for my morning veggie shake, and they combine really well. And this is what I'm going to be showing you today, how I make my morning shake every day, which I enjoy very much and has helped me so much to prevent gaining a lot of weight with this sugary breakfast, and also helps me with my body smell, and also helps with digestion, and pretty much it feels so good in the morning after I had it. So I'm going to show you right now how I do this. Is a very simple video, so let's get started on how I mixed all these wonderful ingredients together. And here I'm going to start with the mix of sprouts. So I'm going to take a nice bunch of it and put it here, and a little bit more maybe. That's perfect. And now I'm going to do the peas microgreens, which also have a nice taste, so I'm going to put enough of it too. And of course the one that I use more abundantly are the sunflower and buckwheat microgreens, which taste delicious. So I'm going to put a lot of it here, just like that. That's perfect. And now that we have these, now we can start putting the almonds. So I'm going to put 10 almonds, should be enough to give a nice taste. Then 1 spoon of psyllium husk, 1 spoon of chia seeds, then I put a little bit of the kelp powder, and then a little bit of the maca powder as well, and a small spoon of the cacao powder as well for a nice taste. And like that, now the last thing we're going to put here is the water. Alright, and now that we have mixed everything together in here, now we're going to put some water, which can be any form of drinkable water. In this case, I went and bought distilled water because I like to distill my own water, and I'll probably show you the reasons why I love distilled water so much in a future video. But for now, any form of drinkable clean water is good, whether it's filtered water or spring water or distilled water, any water that you have that would work really well when mixed with this vegetables and microgreens and all these wonderful things. So this is the water that we're going to use to mix all these wonderful vegetables, and then we're going to blend it all together here in the NutriNinja Auto IQ, and then it'll be ready to eat. So let's get started with putting the water. Okay, here is a good level where we can actually pour all the water, and here's where we connect the blade. Okay. And just like that, we have the blender ready. And now it's ready to drink. Wow, it feels so good. It has a really good taste, and just like that, that's how we're going to drink it. It feels so good in your stomach that it makes a huge difference with any conventional breakfast. The reason why you see perhaps I'm kind of biting it is because I want to salivate this drink, because it's good for the body. So I highly recommend to chew the liquid, as weird as it sounds, because it's very good for the body, because it segregates saliva, which helps the digestive process, and believe me, the body loves it and it feels great. So this is the morning veggie shake that I make, and now you know how to make it. I hope that you like this video, and just so you know, if you don't have sprouts and microgreens, don't worry. You can always use other green leaves, such as sweet chard, such as spinach, such as collard greens, such as kale, and any other form of green leaf will work just as well. The secret is in the flavor, with the seeds and the nuts and the powders. Those are the ones that will give you the taste. Also the avocado, that's a really good one too. You can also use olive oil. Anything that will give it a natural taste will help a lot. So I would recommend any green that you use together with any powder or seeds that will give it a good taste will work just fine. The idea is to give the body some healthy greens in the morning instead of those sugary foods that we can find here in the United States, and that your body will love, and that's a great way to start. So I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a like to let me know that you actually like this video and this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now, because this is the channel where I'm teaching you all the secrets of how to eat and live a healthier lifestyle that I'm discovering in this process. So from here in the beautiful city of Miami, Florida, I thank you for being here with me in this video. My name is Bliss Van Amsterdam from Eating Sprouts, and I hope to see you in the future videos. Bye!